Hello.
Hi.
Today we discuss about living in a countryside in a big city. Okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Do you prefer living in a countryside or big city?
I prefer living in a big city
Why?
because it is a big city. It's a very beautiful and the houses built with luxury. It has a very luxury houses.
Okay. So in the future, if you become successful, do you want to build a house in a countryside or in a big city?
It both.
Both of them, right?
Yes.
Why?
Because sometimes I want living in a fresh air in fresh nature, but sometimes I want sometimes I want living in a big city